How to apply a coupon on Mercari. Hello friends, welcome to another Mercari's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can apply a coupon code on Mercari. So coupon codes are known for discounts, all right? Whenever you apply coupon codes in buying products online, you would get a discount on that product. So the simple way of how you can apply a coupon code is by applying it during checkout. So for example, I would love to buy a blouse or a dress, and to do that you have to select it on the Mercari home page, or you can just click on the search icon to search out the one that you'd like to buy, whichever one is fine. And then once you've seen the product that you'd like to buy, click on it, and then you'll be taken to the items page. So once you're on this page, you'll see details about the products. You can decide to check out the pictures, the different pictures of the product, to see if it's really in a good quality like they said. And so once you can do that, next step is move to the right side of the screen. So when we move to the right side of the screen, you would see more details about the product, and then you can see the option for you to add to cart, make an offer, or PayPal checkout. So you can just click on that. By clicking on PayPal checkout, to be taken to the checkout page. And then once you're on the checkout page, while inputting your billing information, you will see a box which says apply code. All right, so just paste your code there, and once the code is applied, you'll be given a discount, and the remaining money, that is the money left after applying the code, will be deducted from your account. So that is basically how to go about it. It's as simple as that. So if you want to apply your code, just locate a product that you like to buy, move to the right side of the screen, click on buy now or click on checkout, and then once you're on the checkout page, you would be able to apply your code, apply it, discounts will be applied to your purchase, and you can now proceed with the transaction. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.